Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie as Rapunzel and Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the hair as usual, and you guys are probably sick of me saying that. So for the hair, I use this hair, toggle it to back, no flowers, and I colored this color FFCD76. I colored that for like all the hair that I used. Position it at Y at 0, Z 0.66, rotated the X at 0.73, and scaled it to 0.58. Then I used this hair in the same color, toggled it to like Y 0.53. Sorry, positioned it. Z at 0.56. Then I used this hair, same color, didn't do anything to that. And then I used these braids in position it at Y 0.39, Z 0.58. And then I used this crown in BE8E04 and F7A63B in these adjustments. Position it at Y 0.64, Z 0.55, and scaled it to 0.32. Don't mind the back, please, okay? And then I use this top here in no collar and sleeves, and I use this purple color in glitter. Sorry, in D08BFF. Then I use this color F8A0BF in glitter as well, and then this kind of gold color BE8E04. Then I use this dress, but just the sleeves. So this in sleeves only in this purple color here. Actually, in this purple color, F1CFFF in glitter and in gold, in the same gold that we used. I think I might make the gold a little bit darker on this one though. Maybe like this, 956F03. And then I use this skirt in the layer toggle only in the same color as the rest in glitter. And then, looks so silly from the back. We're going to use these sleeves in that same purple color. I think I added something else here. In that same purple color as the sleeves in glitter. Then we're going to head on over here, get this skirt. Select the only skirt toggle, and we're going to color it this color first, and then this purple color in glitter, and then that purple color again. Grab this skirt or the witch's skirt from the witch's set. What am I saying? And then use it to color this. So I use this purple color again in glitter, and then also add this gold on. Then we are going to get this currency item. If you don't have it, you don't have to use it, but it's like floor length, so I tried to make it floor length. Where is it? Here. And only skirt, no layer, in that same purple color in glitter, and then add gold to the trim, like so. Then I'm not going to add shoes. I think she's barefooted. I'm not sure actually, but we're going to use this painting as the prop, this paint thingy as a prop. What am I saying? And I'm just going to color that in gold glitter, and then you can just color the rest whatever color you want. I'm just going to color the paintbrush purple in glitter, and then I'm going to leave that one. And then for the rest, like for the paints, I'm just going to color it like purple, pink, gold. You can use yellow, you can use green, you can use any color that you want for this one. Then like a blue maybe, and like, I don't know, orange. And then for the necklace, I did use this one in this gold, and then in this color, F7A73B. And voila, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!